Maha Cartoon TV.
Chaos on Holi Part 3. Kusum used to live in Greater Kailash Colony with her husband Sameer. Both of them were married for 2 years. Kusum and Sameer were very happy with each other.
Holi is about to come. Not even half of the house has been cleaned yet. I don't know how long will I be able to complete the work.
While Kusum is cleaning the house, suddenly her foot slips and she falls on the ground.
Sameer! Sameer!
Hearing Kusum's voice, Sameer comes running from the room.
What happened? Are you okay, Kusum?
No, I may have fractured my leg.
Knowing this, Sameer immediately takes Kusum to the hospital and gets her treated and brings her back.
Holi festival is in a few days. Now who will do the household work and other preparations?
Kusum, what will happen if we celebrate Holi with simplicity this time? Just look at your condition. Are you able to work from anywhere?
But who will take care of the guests? And the rest of the work?
You are thinking too much. I will manage everything. Don't you worry.
You can't even find your towel. And you will manage. Sameer,
You never leave a single chance to insult me, huh?
well listen. I will do one thing. I will call Chetna here.
Do as you like, but make sure not to disturb her college studies, okay?
I'll see that.
Chetna was Kusum's younger sister, who was still studying in her second year of college. The very next day, Kusum called Chetna to her home.
What happened, sister? My God, you have not lost your habit. You always invite accidents. Why don't you take care of yourself? It is so important to work all the time.
I called you here to help me, not to treat me like my mother. Okay?
That's when Sameer also came there.
Oh, Chetna, you have come.
Oh, Jiju, you have called and I don't come. Can this happen?
Of course. You come here to meet your brother-in-law, not me.
Oh, sister, now you have become a stranger. Me and Jiju are best friends. Isn't it, Jiju?
Exactly, sister-in-law.
Now stop it, both of you. Stop teasing me.
As soon as Chetna came, there was a lot of excitement in the house. She took care of all the household work alone, as well as she was taking good care of her sister too.
Jiju, you?
You were working, so I thought, let me help you.
No, the work is almost done. And I'm just going to sleep now.
Okay, Chetna, may I ask you one thing?
You don't have to take permission. Tell me,
Do you have a boyfriend?
why? You want to complain to Didi?
Oh, no. Now we are friends, so I thought I should ask.
I don't have any boyfriend. But yes, the day I'll find one, I'll tell you.
Hey, then make me your boyfriend.
Oh, you already are. What to ask in this?
So let's give me a big hug.
Sameer embraces Chetna. But being so close to each other, the two couldn't resist. And
Chetna?
Didi is calling.
Sameer and Chetna were now attracted towards each other. But Kusum was unaware of this. Sameer and Chetna started meeting secretly in their own house. Holi also arrived in few days. Guests also started coming into the house. There was a lot of hustle and bustle. Chetna was handling everything very well. Some of Sameer's office friends also came there.
Oh man, how hot is this girl?
You are right. Hey, Sameer, who is this? She is my sister-in-law.
That means you're half housewife.
It's full now. Hey, How did this happen? Sameer's magic is so powerful that no girl can refuse him. Do something for us too, man.
Shower a few drops of love on your friends too, bro.
Are you both mad? Please do something. Anyways, there is an atmosphere of Holi. It is very important to have fun and create chaos. Anyways, you are right. It's nothing for me. Today it's her and tomorrow someone else. The line of girls is always behind me.
Hey, speak slowly. Your wife will listen.
My wife is in my grasp. She can neither speak nor do anything about me.
Sameer, Rupak and Ajay made a plan. As per the plan, Sameer took Chetna to the storeroom and started coming close to her. Only when Sameer's friends also came there with camera.
Darling, give us a chance to, Chetna ji, to do your service.
Chetna was quite surprised to see all this, after which she said,
Jiju, what's all this?
Exactly what you wanted. Have fun.
What are you talking about? What I thought about you. And what you actually are.
Don't do too much drama. If you try to resist, then I will tell your reality to your sister. So quietly do.
Chetna could not understand anything. They all started dominating her.
No! No! Don't do this! No, leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Let me go!
Why shouldn't anyone touch such a beautiful girl? Ever since I got married to your boring sister, my eyes were on you. Only I know how I have been pretending to be in love with her for 2 years.
No! Please let me go! Please!
On the other hand, Kusum started looking for Chetna.
Chetna? 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 It's strange. Where is she? She never does that.
Kusum looked for her everywhere, but she could not find her anywhere. She heard some voices.
No! Please let me go! Please!
This sound is coming from the storeroom.
Hearing the voice, Kusum went towards the storeroom. When she looked inside the storeroom, she was stunned. Kusum understood everything within a few minutes. She was furious with anger. As soon as she went inside,
Sameer! What are you doing? She's like your younger sister. You are not ashamed at all while doing this?
Baby, it's nothing. nothing. We are just kidding. Yes.
Seriously? Sameer, is this your excuse? Shame on you, Sameer.
Just shut up. Enough is enough. What have I done? I was doing just what your sister wanted.
Didi, I'm sorry. I made a big mistake. I didn't know that one wrong step of mine would get me this far.
Today you have shown your true form, which I was hiding from the world till now. Sameer, what did you think? I don't know. I know about all your affairs in the office. Even the night you and Chetna were kissing in the kitchen, I had seen that too. Now you crossed your line. I'll make sure that you will get your punishment.
Go. Do whatever you want to do. No one will listen to you.
Sameer left from there as if he had not done anything. On the other hand, Chetna realized her mistake and decided to accompany her sister. After which, both of them informed the police.
Mr. Samir, you are arrested for forcing a girl, attempting to rape, insisting friends to gang rape, and recording your every activity on camera. Now come with us.
The fun for which they used the camera. Today the same proved to be the bad luck for all of them. Samir and his friends were arrested for committing such a heinous crime.
This is the right place for violent men like you. Now rot in jail for the rest of your life. And if you turn your dirty eyes again towards my sister or me, then remember, I will tear your eyes.
That day, Kusum took revenge for every injustice done to her, as well as made her sister realize her mistake. A woman can do anything. She should not ignore the injustice being done to her and take steps for herself, so that every woman in the society who is silent and suffocating only in the fear that what society will say. Now the decision is up to you.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.